Hey guys, Miss Sharon here. I am going to show you how to make a toilet paper roll bird feeder. So I'm going to switch the camera around so you can see the stuff. So here we have our toilet paper roll, and I have gone ahead and poked holes in the sides and 4 holes around on the bottom like so. That's what I did with this one. Alrighty, so I'm gonna take my peanut butter knife and I'm gonna take some peanut butter like so, and I'm gonna try not to get on the holes. I don't want to get on the holes, okay?
You don't want
So,
to get on the hole.
No, Liam, I do not want to get it on the holes. So I want to just smear peanut butter around the toilet paper roll. You can put it up high. Just try not to get the holes because we're gonna need those holes to put a string in. Okay? So let's so here's one. I'm gonna take it and I'm gonna gently roll it in the bird seed. Okay? Try to get as much bird seed on there as possible. So I have 2 sticks here that I already cut off. I made it long enough so it can go all the way through, like so, for bird stand, something for the birds to sit on, right? Oh. And then, let's see.
Mommy, you doing the same like the other one? Are you doing
then,
the same?
So there's that.
Are you
I forgot
doing the same?
to get my string, so just give me 1 second.
You're doing the same.
Yeah.
Oh. So that was the payment one. This.
It's not an experiment.
So that was it was. That!
Yeah, let me.
All the time you were doing dick.
Alright, you guys. I have fishing line. That's what I'm gonna use. I'm only gonna. So really, you can use anything you want. I'm going to use a fishing line, I think. You put it through the hole. And get somebody to help you. I don't know if I can do it, but I'm gonna try. I don't know how well fishing line ties, but so there's one end. Here's another end. Like so. And voila! Now you have a nice bird feeder for the birds. I'll show you how to do it if you do not have a hole punch and you can't find sticks. So we can coat pretty much the whole thing in peanut butter. Yes, I'm showing you right now. See? You put peanut butter on. And we can put the string through the big hole and make it Just kind
The
of like a
ball
log
feeder?
looking.
You mean a bird feeder for
Yeah.
the bird.
A bird feeder for the birds, yes.
So that's what you were doing.
Mm-hmm.
A bird feeder for the bird.
Yeah, that's what I'm
When
doing.
the bird come, they get to get the feed.
Yeah.
Mom, Dad, we need something to feed the bird. But you know
Okay. So
how
now,
to feed the bird?
of course, now your fingers are gonna get
You
peanut
give them
buttery.
food, and
This
then
way.
they eat it.
Liam, they cannot hear me while you're yelling. Please
Oh,
don't yell, okay?
oh,
So you roll it, the whole thing in here.
Mom,
Don't knock it, because then they won't be able to see it all. Don't, Liam, please stop, honey.
I
Don't do that, okay?
hmm.
How about, can you get me a baby wipe from that so I can wipe my fingers?
There's a baby wipe.
Yeah. Well, can you open it and give me one, please? So if you don't have a hole punch, this is another good way. You can either, if you don't have string, you can go just put this on a branch even, because it's got that big hole right there. I don't need that many, honey. I just need one. Thank you. Okay, so I will cut another string and show you what I mean by...
Mom, how do I close
Don't worry about it. I'll close it in a minute.
it?
I'll close it in a minute, okay? So now, I think I cut it too big. Okay, go. Okay, I cut that too big, so here I am. Okay, so I'm gonna feed it through and try not to get more peanut butter on myself. All right, and we can tie it here like so. Right? So here's another way to do your bird feeder. All right, I hope you guys have fun with this. Have a wonderful day.